Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber and today I am going to be showing you how I do my braid outs. I love doing this hairstyle. It's quick and easy and it is actually one of my favorite hairstyles. So let's get right into it. Like always, I'm starting with wash any single hair. For my braid outs, I personally love my curls to be big and voluptuous, but since my hair is more on the thinner side, it can be a little hard. So to get that curl, what I usually do is 2 cornrows. Then when I take it down, I'll fluff it out. Now when it comes to parting my hair, I only part the front nicely, then I just separate the back with my hands. I don't do a perfect part because when you take it down, you want it to blend nicely together instead of having that permanent part which makes it hard to blend. Before applying any products, I just like to dampen my hair. Make sure when you are wetting your hair to not over soak it because it will not be dry the next day. Also, try to avoid your roots because we are going for that voluminous look and you want your roots to be kind of lifted. First product I'm using is my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In. When doing hairstyles like this, I just love to have products that are very light but also moisturizing. I need something that is also not going to allow my hair to tangle up because I am tender-headed and that would just be a lot of stress on me. So this product is really good for all of that. And also when I apply it, I just rake it through with either my hands or my Tangle Teezer. The next product I'm using is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie. This product is a little bit thicker than the leave-in, so I only apply it to the dry parts of my hair. Then I usually just rake it through with my fingers. To seal everything in, I like to take this Vanita Afro Balm Styling Cream. This product helps with flyaways, helping my braids look neat, and also it gives my hair a nice shine. I like to smooth this product in with my hands at first just to get like a mold or slick my hair down, and then I'll go in with my Tangle Teezer. When it comes to braiding, I'm not the best. I suggest that you take your time, try to keep your hands as close to your head as possible. I don't know if that makes sense, but like try to keep your hands don't lift your hands. Try to keep them close to your head and also try to make the braid as tight as possible. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and I'm just going to allow this to play through and then come back towards the end. So it's been a couple days now. My hair is completely dry and a little frizzy, which I prefer. Now I'm just going to take some jojoba oil and gently take down my braids. When taking down your braids, you want to try and unravel each strand at a time. You don't want to rush and unravel it because you'll produce a lot of frizz or even mess up the curl. So this is my hair all taken down. My curls are really shiny and very fluffy, and it's also very defined, which I love. The back is a little frizzy and my hair is a little bit flat, but we're gonna fix that. To fluff out my hair, I like to use a pick. It creates a lot of volume without ruining my curls or adding any frizz. I also would suggest that you like close the part and combine your hair at that time, because then it'll all blend nicely together. Also, if I need to, I'll just take my fingers and fluff out my hair as well. After fluffing out my hair, I like to go in and separate my curls. I do try to be as gently as possible, but honestly, I don't really mind a little frizz. And that's it, simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching.